Hi there! I'm, Pruitt, and I'm about to tell you about my amazing adventure with a tiny little seed. I used to think gardening was boring. All I wanted to do was play video games all day. But then, my teacher gave us all a seed to take care of as a class project. At first, I didn't know what to do. How could this tiny thing ever grow into a plant? I learned that seeds need soil to grow in. It's like their cozy bed. They also need water. It's like their refreshing drink. And don't forget sunlight. It's the seed's energy source, just like food is for us. So, I planted my seed in a little pot filled with soil. Every day, I watered it carefully. Not too much, not too little. I made sure it got plenty of sunlight by placing it near a window. Then I waited patiently for it to grow. But nothing happened for days. I started to worry. Was I doing something wrong? My mom told me to be patient. Good things take time, she said. I kept taking care of my seed even though I couldn't see any changes. Just when I was about to give up, I noticed a tiny green sprout peeking out of the soil. I was so excited. My little seed was growing. As the days went by, my plant got bigger and bigger. I learned that plants also need air. They breathe through tiny holes in their leaves, and they get nutrients from the soil. It's like their daily vitamins. Soon, my plant had leaves and then beautiful flowers. I was amazed at how much it had grown from that tiny seed. Taking care of my plant taught me patience and responsibility. I learned that sometimes the most important things are happening even when we can't see them. Now I love gardening. It's like having a little bit of magic right in your backyard. I've started growing all kinds of plants, flowers, vegetables, and even a small tree. It's so cool to see how different seeds grow into different plants. And the best part? I get to share fresh vegetables with my family and friends. Gardening has taught me to appreciate nature and how important plants are for our planet. They give us oxygen, food, and make our world more beautiful. So why don't you try growing your own seed? It's an amazing adventure. Remember, with a little love and care, even the tiniest seed can grow into something amazing.